What's up, guys? This is Pastor Canal again. We're coming out with another tutorial in JavaScript, and tonight we're going to be talking about objects. All right. So, what is an object? An object it's a collection of properties. Properties, and properties they have names and values. So we're going to see that. So we're going to start with we're going to give the object a name. We'll use a var. Man, what do we do? Let's do a sport card. A sport card. And usually objects they go the property goes inside the curly brackets. Okay. So right here we're going to do let's try that Lamborghini. We're going to give it the appropriate name, which is going to be Lamborghini, and then we're going to give it the value name. What I'm doing? What is Lamborghini? That's the name. So let's change this. My idea is not working. So a sport car. So let's do price. Yeah, how much we a price? How much is a Lamborghini? It's $250,000 roughly. And usually inside an object, inside the brackets, you gotta use a comma instead of semicolon. And then what else we want just to display over here? Color of the Lamborghini. So what is going to be green? Yeah, let's do a green color. Um, what else do we want to display? Price, color, type. Yeah, let's do type. That's what I'm trying just to do. I couldn't organize my ideas, so we're going to do a Lamborghini. Must be a Lamborghini. Okay. What else do we want to know about the Lamborghini? The price, color, seats. How many seats? So it's only for 2 people, right? What else do you want to know? Price, color, type, seats. That should be it. By the way, so we have right here the property name, and then we have the values right here. Now, how do we access an object? The properties of an object. You can access doing access in 2 different ways. Okay, we're going to use the document that get element by ID. So we already know we're going to use our ID demo. Then we could do inner HTML equals. So there's 2 ways to access this. We're going to use first. You're going to have to use the object name, which is a sport card. Dot, and then we have the property name. So what do you want to know? So the price. Let's do the price. So we save that, and that should give us the price of $250,000. Yeah, it gave us the price. Yeah, or $2,050 right there. Now, what about if we want to get a color? You just change the property name, and you just do color. It should give you color green. Okay, same thing. You want another type? Do the same thing. It's going to give you, it's what type of sport car? It's a Lamborghini. It's a Lamborghini. So now, also the other way that you can access this, you can use brackets. The use of brackets in here instead of the dot. But inside the brackets, you gotta do a double quotation and then the appropriate name. Let's just do the price. Save that. She gives 250. Same thing. Let's do color. should give you the same, green, and so on. So now there is something cool. Let's just use some user input right here. For example, when you go to the store, right, and you go to AutoZone, or when you tell them, hey, can I have how much is the price of this? And they go in the computer, they type, and there is a bunch of information that kind of pops up in the computer with exactly what you're requesting, right? And this is how they use these objects. It's pretty very important to know about objects because it's being used a lot in the industry. So what we need to do right now, let's do another bar, and we're going to give it a name of user input equals. We're going to use the prompt command. I mean the prompt method. What do I say prompt command all the time? So enter any of the export information. Information such as type, comma, all this that we have. Color type, price, color type, price, color, what is, and seats. Is that seats or yeah, seats. Semicolon. Okay. So right here, we're going to be using still our demo, but how we're going to be accessing this. So right here in this guy, we're going to use this inside the bracket. We're going to use not the double quotation, but we're going to use that user input. And this is the name of the variable right there. And this will pull up the information that the user input is requesting. For example, let's save that and see. Okay. All right, enter any of the sport card information such as type, price, color, and seat. If I type color, it should give me the color. Let's enter that. Green. Cool. Again, let's do a type. Type of car. Lamborghini. Okay. So let's do another one. Let's do seats. 2. Cool. Let's do the price. $250,000. Pretty expensive car. But anyway, this is how you use object. This is just one example. There is so many different ways to use it, but we're going to keep seeing more objects. So this is not it. There's a cool things we're going to be building with these objects. All right. So stay tuned. Thank you very much for checking this first tutorial video in objects. Hopefully you guys like it. Subscribe to the channel. We need a lot of subscribers, please. A lot. And like the video. Hey, thanks. Have a good night. Okay, bye-bye.